is Sunday, March 30th. This reading is the developer update for VRChat from March 27th, 2025. Before I forget, I need to disable my recording with Steam because my thing is not happy about that. So, announcements. Space Jam is ongoing. Space Jam 2 is still live. This World Jam, hosted by the National Space Society of Australia, is an opportunity for world creators to make a VRChat world fitting the chosen theme. All entries will be featured in a world row, and there will be a monetary prizes for the winners. Check out our blog posts to learn more. You have until April 5th to submit your worlds. Get to it. Submit your worlds to the Venice Immersive. The Venice Film Festival is looking for VRChat worlds for their XR section called Venice Immersive. There are 2 categories you can submit to. Please read our facts and questions here for more information. 2025 1.3 is live. Our latest release, 2025 1.3, is now live on all platforms. You can read the full release notes here. This is a big one. Here are the quick highlights. New features. Camera drone. This is a fully functional drone that you can fly within VRChat. You can use it as an additional recording tool, where you can simply fly around with all of your friends. Read more about the camera drone from our community. Read more about the camera drone or the community wiki. I guess they mean on the community wiki. That's kind of a funny typo. This is a VRChat Plus feature. Check out the short video for the camera drone in the quick menu, or simply jump to Help and Info tab. Camera Dolly. This feature allows you to select a predefined camera path. Think of it like an incline animation system for the camera, giving VRChat videographers a ton of extra power to do well whatever you can dream of. This is a VRChat Plus feature. Check out the short video for the camera dolly in quick menu, or simply jump to the Help and Info tab. Selfie Expression. Selfie Expression enables you to use your webcam to add to your tracking to your desktop avatar. Yes, that's right. This feature allows desktop users to track their facial expressions, head and eye movement, and even their hands. This is a feature in early access for VRChat Plus subscribers. Check out the short video for selfie expression in the quick tab menu, or simply jump to the Help and Info tab. Quality of life improvements. Redesigned safety menu. The safety menu, sometimes called the shield menu, has been redesigned. It should be easier for users. It's also easier for us to add stuff to, which is good for the future. Oh, I don't like this. It's now a list rather than it being like 7 buttons laid out side by side like it used to be. Yeah, it's the same order. Voice, avatar, user icons, custom image. And then it was audio, lights, particles, shaders, custom animation, animated emojis. But they have a new one now for drone. Weird. I don't know how to feel about that change, but whatever, I'm not in there that often. Instance settings. Instance creators can now choose to enable or disable a bunch of features like emojis, stickers, sharing pedestals, prints, and drones. These can be adjusted on the fly after an instance has been created. If there are prints and stickers in the world, they'll be removed if disabled. Easy cleanup. World authors can set defaults for public worlds via the website. We know folks have some opinion on this. Keep reading as we'll address them a little further down. reduced voice latency. We've reduced player voice latency by about 250 milliseconds per all players. Practically, because of the way conversations work, this is like removing a half second of latency during back and forth discussion. Whoa. Camera improvements. We refactored the lens indicator, adding additional functionality. Improved sync for late joiners. Fixed jittering. New visual effects. The indicator now flashes white in addition to the shutter sound when a picture is being taken. When using the timed photo setting, other users will now see a ring around the indicator counting down visually, in addition to the countdown noise. Audio from camera is now out for everyone. This is locked behind the camera dolly, meaning it was effectively a VRChat Plus feature. Now everyone can use it. This option works with the stream camera, drone, dolly, and even spout streaming. Thai added as a supported language, and more. Seriously, this was a big patch, adding more cool stuff for VRChat Plus subscribers, as well as a ton of quality of life updates for everyone. This is an immense patch, and we're just getting started. This is going to be an exciting year for VRChat. Development updates. VRChat Plus subscribers now get a special badge depending on how long they've been subscribed to VRChat Plus. Subscribe for longer, get a fancier badge. Neat. Our neat and cool wiki team has documented all of them and what they look like here. What is the highest badge that they have? They have designed it up to 10 years. These 10-year badges are just a little way of saying thanks for supporting VRChat as long as you have. Website fixes. Two-factor authentication. On some mobile browsers, two-factor input wouldn't accept the copy-paste properly. We fixed it. You can now simply copy from the whole code into the form. Profile icon upload got thick. So for a hot second, upload icons looked like this. We fixed it. We made them properly round. Icons are just, instead of a circle, they're just like they just kind of look like a squished pill. Just a little funny. Other fixes. Fixed an issue with favoriting worlds groups as we expanded how many groups can be favorited at once, and this was causing some issues on the website. Fixed stickers and emojis showing up in the wrong aspect ratio in the web gallery. Instance settings feedback. With addition of instance settings, we've been paying close attention to feedback during the open beta and launch. The majority of feedback seems to be neutral or positive regarding these new changes. People that run instances, group publics, events, etc. really appreciate the fine-grained control. There have been constructive feedback in two key areas. The additional steps in instance creation, 2 extra steps isn't great. Some world creators prefer to have full control over what's possible to have in their worlds, no matter what. This is great feedback. We've been tracking it. We also think it touches on some things we've been talking about internally. In particular, the second feedback item for world creators points out how challenging but important pillar of VRChat's architecture. Who has authority over an instance and when? This is an open question we're still answering. And for now, we don't have a solidified system-wide answer. We're discussing, debating, and designing internally. And your feedback is an important part of that, so keep it coming. That's it for this week. See you in 2 weeks on April 10th. The first reply, I feel like if world creators are allowed to forcibly limit avatar height to constrain their designs within a specific view, then they should be able to force drones, stickers, etc. off. It should be one or the other, not a mix of both. Either world creators can set a cap on player height and also not let people fly drones in their worlds, or they can't set player limiting experiences, including height, and it falls to the instance creator. I just want consistency instead of mixing features which are not player experience options the world creators can mess with or not. there's multiple things with like people saying that world creators should have options. Yeah, I don't know. I personally prefer being able to put stickers in like an instance. Like my home world, for example, that I use, I'm not able to put stickers down in it. And I had no idea until a friend tried to put them in there, and it was just like oh, that kind of sucks thing, but I don't know. Just always found it kind of interesting.